Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the flash when you get the text or message call in your device. So in this device I am going to send a message to this number, then you can see the notification light in this device. So I already enable the light flashlight when you get the message or call in this device. You can see. You can see when the incoming call is ringing, then you can see the notification light, the LED light you can see. Right, so let me show you how to enable this one. For this, simply go to settings, then tap on the option accessibility, then scroll down. Here you can see the option audio and visual. Tap on this one. Scroll to bottom, you can see the option LED flash for alert. Tap on this one and you need to turn on this one, LED flash for alerts. So if you want to view the notification LED light when device is unlocked, you need to turn on this one. You need to view the notification light or LED light when you get into the silent mode. You need to turn on this one. Okay, so again I am going to make a call to this number, then you can see the LED light. Okay, you can see the phone is ringing and the notification light is also, you can see here, flashlight. So simply in this way you can make your phone flash when you get the text or calls in your device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.